sport bracket number 1, brought to you by Hobbytown. Drivers, are you ready? One second. Alright. Now, the drivers are ready. Watch the light. They're doing the freestyle out there. Doing the 6 minutes. Alright, cameras ready? Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. He goes off. That ain't gonna take that win. Penalties off that.
Yeah.
2, what? Alright, cameras are ready. Drivers, are you ready? We'll watch the light. Two wheels, 3 wheels, 4 wheels. And Jude is going to take the win.
Alright, the drivers are staged, cameras are ready, watch the light. What was it? Alright, drivers, are you ready? Cameras are ready. Watch the light. Wow! And Austin, 316, moves on. Alright, drivers, are you ready? Cameras, are you ready? The classic barefoot versus USA 1 matchup. Watch the light. Big start for USA 1. Barefoot can find the turns though. And USA 1 taking that lead.
Cameras ready. Drivers, are you ready? We'll watch the light. I think Austin got it on that one. It's hard to tell from this
I
one.
don't even know.
You both are super clean.
I don't even know.
You were so like, yeah, that was close.
Alright, we've got David USA 1 taking on Sam McLaren. Cameras are ready. Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Really good for Sam McLaren right now. And Sam McLaren going to the finals. Alright, the finals for sport bracket 1 coming up. Alright, this is your Hobbytown Sport Class Bracket 1 finals. We have Ben and Austin 316 taking on Sam with Team McLaren. Drivers ready. Watch the light. Good luck to the lead. Austin's right there with him. Trying to make a comeback. And Sam, Team McLaren, overtaking the victory.